Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about rendering HTML templates from Django. HTML templates in Django are utilized to produce dynamic web pages within web applications. These templates are crafted in HTML with integrated Django template language elements. Views in Django are responsible for rendering these HTML templates to showcase dynamic content to visitors. For instance, a blog website may employ Django templates to dynamically exhibit various articles and their corresponding information on the user interface. When working with Django, you can use the render function from the Django.shortcuts module to render templates. In your Python view function, pass the request object and the name of the template to be rendered as arguments to the render function. This function will then return an HTTP response object containing the rendered template. For instance, in the code snippet provided, the myView function uses the renderBA function to render the myTemplate HTML template when the view is accessed. This mechanism simplifies the process of rendering HTML content dynamically in Django web applications. In Django, data is passed to templates via the context dictionary. The keys in the context dictionary serve as variable names in the template. When rendering a template using render function, include the context dictionary as the third argument. For example, in the provided Python code snippet, the myView function passes data like name and age to the myTemplate.html template. In the template, these variables can be accessed and displayed accordingly. This method allows for dynamically populating templates with relevant data based on the context provided. When working with Django templates, you can display variables passed from the view in the HTML template by using the double curly braces notation, such as variable name. In the provided example, the HTML template contains variables name and age that have been passed from the view. The content within the double curly braces will be replaced with the actual values of these variables when the template is rendered. For instance, if name is assigned the value John and age is assigned the value 25 in the view, the rendered HTML output will display as, "Hello John, you are 25 years old." By using Django's template language and the double curly braces notation, you can dynamically display variable values in your HTML templates based on the data passed from the view, making your web application more interactive and dynamic. Rendering HTML templates in Django is like designing a brochure for a company event. In both cases, you start with a blank canvas or a blank HTML template and fill it with the necessary content and styling. Just like how you can easily update the information on a brochure template for different events, you can reuse HTML templates in Django for multiple pages on a website. The process of rendering HTML templates in Django is similar to printing out the finalized brochure design for distribution. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The Python code snippet above showcases the process of rendering HTML templates in Django by creating a dynamic brochure for a company event. In this scenario, the company event brochure view function is responsible for passing event details such as event name, date, location, and a list of attendees to the brochure template.html template using the render method. Within the HTML template, placeholders enclosed in double curly braces are used to represent the dynamic content that will be inserted during rendering. For instance, event name, event date, and event location are placeholders for the corresponding event details, while the % for attendee and attendees sent block iterates through the list of attendees and dynamically generates a list item for each attendee. By leveraging Django's template system, the HTML template acts as a blueprint for the final brochure output. The template structure mimics a typical brochure layout, including headers, paragraphs, and a styled list of attendees. Upon rendering, the template is populated with the provided event information, resulting in a customized brochure-like representation of the company event ready for display or distribution. This process of rendering HTML templates in Django not only streamlines the design and generation of dynamic content, but also allows for the efficient creation of personalized documents, such as event brochures, based on the input data provided by the view function. One real-world example where rendering HTML templates from Django is essential is in the e-commerce industry. When a customer makes a purchase on an online store, Django can render a confirmation email template with details of the order, shipping information, and a thank you message. This personalized HTML template enhances the customer experience by providing a professional and informative email. Another application of rendering HTML templates from Django can be seen in the marketing sector. Marketing campaigns often involve sending out newsletters or promotional emails to subscribers. Django can be used to render dynamic HTML templates for these emails, incorporating personalized content, images, and links. This way, marketers can create visually appealing and engaging email campaigns that target specific audiences effectively. In conclusion, rendering HTML templates from Django plays a crucial role in various industries across the globe by enabling the creation of dynamic and personalized content for purposes such as order confirmations in e-commerce and marketing campaigns in the digital marketing sector. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.